Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates located in Tempe, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a series of default exercises to place in your full body integration 2 category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and the spring series I've chosen is 1 red and 1 blue, which equals 1.5 springs if you're working on a different model. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're trying to piece together exercises for your clients. These videos and tutorials are intended to help and assist you throughout the process. So if you do like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to have you along the journey. Begin on all fours, placing 1 foot on the foot bar, preferably the toes. Push out to a straight leg with hands on the shoulder blocks. Once the client is ready to lift their additional foot up, be sure to cue them to stay strong through the body. The legs should be fully active and energized. They will push the carriage out in front of them as they exhale and inhale to glide it back. There is a huge emphasis on scapular stabilization, so make sure the shoulders are not elevated, rounded, and maintaining neutral to avoid any injuries. Talk them out of the exercise slowly so they don't let the carriage come crashing in. Next, let's look at tendon stretch. Seated on the foot bar, fingers facing forward, toes at the edge of the carriage. We're going to begin to lift the hips up towards the ceiling by forward folding. Think of bringing your nose towards your knees. Drop the hips over the foot bar, swinging the body up and down. Cue them like crazy to pike their hips up using their abs. For tendon stretch and balance control front, aim for 2 to 5 repetitions. These are very advanced exercises, so be mindful who you customize the exercise for. This requires a lot of upper body strength. And this concludes the Full Body Integration 2 series. Follow me into intermediate kneeling rotation next.